Understanding Site Mapping, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term site mapping. This concept is widely used in web development and digital planning. If you're curious about how websites are organized, this video is for you. Site mapping is the process of creating a visual representation of a website's structure. It's like drawing a map for a website, showing how different pages are linked together. This helps in understanding the layout and navigation of a site. It's particularly useful for website designers and content managers. The primary goal of site mapping is to organize and structure a website effectively. It ensures that users can find information easily and navigate the site without confusion. Site maps also help in the planning stages of a website, allowing developers to see the big picture and make necessary adjustments. There are mainly two types of site maps. 1. Visual site maps. These are graphical representations, often resembling a tree with branches, showing how each page is connected. 2. XML site maps. These are coded files used by search engines to understand and index a website's content more efficiently. Site mapping offers several benefits. Improves user experience by making it easier to navigate a site. Enhances SEO. Helps search engines crawl the site more effectively. Facilitates planning and communication. Provides a clear framework for teams working on the website. Site mapping is an essential part of website development and management. It not only enhances the user experience but also plays a crucial role in search engine optimization. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what site mapping is and why it's important. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and happy learning!